Hi, welcome aboard this 1974 stainless steel yacht Bertina. She has been lovingly looked after over the years, and this includes a full rebuild in 2002 that had the hull completely redone, including the keel. She went from swing keel to fixed keel. As you can see from her lines, she is absolutely stunning. She has a low freeboard, making her really good in sea, upwind, including very good access while at berth. As we just step on board, you can have a look at the teak decking. Again, it's in excellent condition. And as we make our way forward, she has the Solent rig. So you have your forward genoa that's on a hydraulic furling, making sailing single-handed very easy, and a self-tacking jib. Again, going upwind makes life very easy. Forward you have a locker, 4 spare fuel tanks, and access to your cleaning equipment, as well as having a look at the hull, the stainless steel hull, electric windlass. This can also be controlled from the cockpit. And as we just look back, you can see the self-tacking track on the coach roof. You've got stainless steel derails, really lovely varnished window. Bertina really is a one-off. And in 2012, she had a full rig change, including this Park Avenue carbon boom, and all sails re-changed in 2012. As we make our way aft, you'll see just gone past the hardtop companionway, as well as a brand new full cockpit enclosure. She's got 2 smaller gin and tonic seats aft. And as we step into the cockpit, you can see this absolutely stunning wooden wheel. Looking aft again, you've got good storage, access to your spares, fenders, as well as your ropes. All lines for Bertina lead into the cockpit, as well as you have your hydraulic winches, making sailing really very easy. And this can all be controlled from the main pedestal. You can see the hardtop new glass windows were replaced. On the port side, again, you've got really good storage, access to your engine, generator filter. You've got a GPS unit, as well as your Raymarine autopilot. As we just make our way down below, you can see where the unusual layout of this boat, but also the quality. The joinery quality is really makes her a one-off. You have 2 quarter berths aft, your chart table on the port side, galley, induction hob. You have your fridge, again looking at that quarter berth on the starboard side. Just under the companionway steps, you have access to your generator and your inverter. As we swing round, again, you're working your way into the saloon. You have this wonderful saloon table with these inlays. Again, the woodwork for the age of the boat, she looks as new throughout. Swinging back round, you've got really good storage on either side, as well as you're making your way forward, you've got excellent hanging storage that's ventilated into the main forward cabin, twin berth, and access to the head, which can also be shut off from the main cabin. So with the current owners, she's been lovingly cared for, sailed mainly in local UK waters and a bit in the Baltic. As we're just making our way back aft, we have a look at the engine access. You have 3 points to access the engine on either side. As we climb back up into that cockpit, really nice protection. And have a final swing round. Bertina really is a stunning yacht throughout.